Hello sir, I'm Ken Christian Ermino and I'm going to discuss about patent search. The purpose of a patent search. Number one, assess novelty. A patent search helps determine if your invention is truly new and unique compared to existing patents. This ensures you are not infringing on someone else's intellectual property. Number two, evaluate freedom to operate. By understanding the competitive landscape, you can identify any potential patent barriers that could prevent you from developing, manufacturing, or selling your invention. Number three, guide patent application. Knowing the existing patents in your field allows you to craft a stronger, more strategic patent application that highlights the distinct features of your invention. Inspire innovation. Exploring the work of others can spark new ideas and encourage you to refine or expand your own invention in novel ways. Types of patent searches. Keyword search. A broad search using terms related to your invention's function, features, or components. This provides a high-level overview of the patent landscape. Classification search focuses on the specific patent classification codes assigned by patent offices, allowing you to dive deeper into relevant technological areas. Citation search tracks patents that cite or reference a particular patent, helping you identify related inventions and understand the evolution of a technology. Conducting a comprehensive patent search. So number one, the first step is start broad. Begin your search with a wide range of keyword terms to get a general sense of the existing patents in your field. Number two, refine and narrow. Gradually incorporate more specific keywords, classification codes, and other filters to hone in on the most relevant patents. Lastly, analyze and interpret. Carefully review the search results, paying attention to the claims, descriptions, and citations to understand the scope and relevance of each patent. Leveraging patent search sources. So number one, national patent offices. Most countries provide free, publicly accessible patent search tools such as the USPTO or United States and the EPO Europe. Commercial databases. Subscription-based services offer more advanced search capabilities, broader international patent coverage, and additional analytical tools. Number three, patent experts. Consulting with patent attorneys or agent can provide valuable guidance on search strategies, interpretation of results, and overall patent strategy. Educational resources. Online tutorials, webinars, and workshops can help you develop the skills to conduct effective patent searches and understand the results. The benefit of a thorough patent search. Number one, reduce cost and delays. Identifying potential patent conflicts early on can help you avoid costly legal battles and delays in bringing your invention to market. Number two, stronger patent application. Understanding the existing patents in your field allows you to craft a more strategic and compelling patent application that highlights the unique aspects of your invention. Number three, informed decision making. Insights from a patent search can guide your research and develop efforts, helping you make informed decisions about the direction of your innovation. Last, fostering innovation, exploring the work of others can inspire you to refine your idea, explore new functionalities, or even pivot to a completely different approach, leading to even better innovations. Navigating the patent search process. Number one, start broad. Begin with a wide range of keywords to get a high level understanding of the patent landscape. So, pareha ra ni sa una katong nabanggit. So refine and narrow, gradually incorporate more specific terms, classification codes, and other filters to hone in on the most relevant patterns. Number three, analyze and interpret. Carefully review the search results, paying attention to the claims, description, and citation to understand the scope and relevance of each patent. Seeking guidance from patent experts. Customized strategies. Patent professionals can help you develop a tailored search strategy based on the unique characteristic of your invention, ensuring you don't miss any crucial patents. Nuanced interpretation. Experienced patent attorneys or agent can provide valuable insight into the legal implication of the research results, helping you navigate potential risks and opportunities. Ongoing support. Working with a patent expert can be an ongoing partnership, with them providing guidance throughout the entire innovation and commercialization process. So, conclusion, unlocking innovation's potential. Number one, invest your invention's future. Although patent search is a crucial step in the innovation process, helping you to ensure your invention has a clear path to success. By understanding the patent landscape, you can make informed decisions and take the necessary step to protect your intellectual property. Number two, embrace the power of knowledge. Conducting a patent search goes beyond just checking for novelty. It can spark new ideas, guide your research and develop efforts, and ultimately lead to even more groundbreaking innovations. Embrace the knowledge gained from this process to drive your invention forward. Leverage expert guidance. While patent searching can be a complex task, you don't have to navigate it alone. Consulting with patent search professionals can provide the specialized knowledge and support you need to conduct an effective search and make the most of your findings. So that's all about the patent search. Thank you and God bless.